has released their Gemini API, and I wanted to give a try, but at the same time maybe I'll record it just to make sure how easy it is for the developer. So I have been familiar with multiple languages. I know Python, a little bit of Go, Node.js also. I will try with Node.js because I think this is easiest and most people already know. Now I need to be able to get a API key as well as this node version, and then using that I can just call the API totally. Let's try it out and see how it works. At the same time we probably can do a file upload as well as do a lot of things. Let's try from the beginning. So what I'm gonna do for the getting an API, I already do have an API key actually, which I tried previously. I will not share in the screen, but what I'm gonna do to export it in the UI. So for that, what I'm gonna do is export the key on my another screen as API key. So let me do it in the other screen. So I do have assuming this API key already now. Now let's try it out. So I'm gonna move back the terminal here. So first thing is I need to have the Node 18 up. So my Node version is 20, should be good. Let's create a project here. Maybe I'll say G AI, and then npm init yes. So I open the project. I'll move side by side. So for the first, I'm gonna create a app.js. I could create a TypeScript, but who cares for now. I need this package, so what I'm gonna do is open the terminal and just install it. I forget to save it. Second part is I need to be able to get the model. So if I just log in, I can run it and process. Okay, my API key is already there, so I need to delete that from the video. And then what I have to do is I can just create a prompt. Wow, nice. So let's say if I do it, and Infinity is async. So what I'm gonna do is not do that. It should be fine. Now if I run it again, Oh, this is pretty nifty. uh, Next part is to be able to upload a file, and they have a limit, I believe, 20 MB. So let's say I have a JavaScript file. um, you know what, I'm gonna upload the same file app.js. I'm gonna ask them what does it do. Let's see. So this one I can comment it out. Let's try it out. I'll just copy everything for easy for the sake of this. Now for model I don't need this because Google is already giving me. Now for the prompt, they are reading this PNG. uh, for us it will be one image, maybe not image but app.js. And so the type, for the mime type, what is the mime type of, maybe JavaScript slash text. What is the mime type for JavaScript file? So usually it will be text slash JavaScript, I believe. And you can ask what is this file doing. Let's see, I can run it again. So fs, I didn't import the file, my bad. Google Generative API app.js generated textual description has the constant convert the file to and they are giving me a markdown. So if I just write it down to a markdown file, .md, and then I just use this. Pretty neat actually. So what is setting up environment? Oops, my bad. Regarding converting the file, run. Pretty neat. And then there is other option like conversion. So I have two dog in my house. Then part get me to what would like to know. So I can get conversion style. This is, I believe, interactive one stream. So I believe it's very easy to use. Now with this power in hand, what is the thing that we can do as a human? That could be a really interesting discussion, but I really like how easy it is to use Google API. Hope somebody gonna be using that. It will be useful. The goal, probably what I'm gonna do is create a REST API on top of it. So if a user input something, I can call it back. So that would be a interesting video to make. Thank you.